Hi! In front of me is ZTE A53 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll down to access features. Then click on one-handed mode and tap on this gray switcher at the top in order to activate it. Now select the best option for you, small window or half screen. I will go with half screen, so now I need to follow all of those instructions. I'm using Tricky's navigation, so I have to tap and hold the back button. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back, hold the same back button, or simply tap on this area. If you want to, you can always switch to a small window and access one-handed mode completely the same. To go back this time, click on black area or hold the same button again. If you are using gestures though, I need to change my navigation to show you. You need to scroll down from the bottom of the screen. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. In order to go back, swipe up or click on this dark area. Last but not least, to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!